if you want to learn how to make this delicious 3-bean chili, then what? Keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a delicious 1-pot 3-bean chili. And what I love about this chili is that it's only 1 pot, yes, and it's very hearty and it's going to keep you full, and it's perfect for lunch, dinner, snack, however you would like to have it. So first thing that we have here is we have a cup of quinoa, and this is the multicolored quinoa, but if you don't have multicolored, you can use any quinoa that you would like. Just use a cup. It's already been washed. We also have here some sweet peppers, some bell peppers, and I only had the small ones, so I cut up about 3 or 4 of them. Everything that you will need for this recipe will be in the description box, so do not worry, okay? To make it more hearty, I decided to cut up some potatoes, and I'm using rustic potato. This is about 3 potatoes. I also have 1 onion cut up. You're also gonna need garlic, and I had some garlic here. 3 cloves of garlic that I mashed together, just like that. But if you don't have one of these, you can always chop it fine, not a big deal. We also have a cup of vegetable broth. So let's get started and combining everything together and making this delicious recipe. Let's go. So I have about a tablespoon of olive oil in here. I will start to add my ingredients. I want to add my garlic first. This is a simple recipe, guys. You're going to see how simple everything comes together. Once you've added your garlic, smells so good. Look at it sizzle. And then I'm gonna add my onions. And then I'm gonna add my sweet bell peppers. Healthy, hearty, 1-pot chili. If you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe now. I will wait. Go ahead. Okay, you hit the subscribe button. Okay, once you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell. Yep, that one. That's how you're gonna get your notifications. Like a teaspoon of water. Woo! You saw that? If you are plant-based, you don't have to add the oil. Once everything starting to become translucent and cook a little bit, the next thing that I'm going to do right now is go ahead and add my potatoes. And you don't have to use potatoes if you don't want to, but I want it nice and thick and hearty. Alright, mix everything together. Smells really, really good. Okay, once you've done that, just go ahead and add your spices. And like I said, everything is going to be in the description box. A cup of vegetable broth that I'm going to add right now. Go ahead and add your quinoa. Okay, so the first bean I'm adding is my white cannelloni bean, and I used a 15-ounce can. Now I add my red bean. I add my black beans. And that's the 3 beans that we're going to be using. I'm going to add 3 cups of vegetable broth, low sodium. Looking good. Look at that. And I'm going to let this simmer on low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, let's take a look. Woo! OMG! This 3-bean chili is starting to look amazing. Amazing. Just so it's gonna get a little bit thicker, and then just do a little bit of this. Alright, I'm gonna let that cook for another 15 minutes, and I think that's gonna be it. 30 minutes is perfect, so I'm gonna cover it up, and I'll be back in 15 minutes. I'm gonna pick this up, and it's very hot. Woo! Yes! Look at that. Look, look, look. See that? That's what we're going for. That's what we're going for. Nice and thick. You could turn it off. Took about 30 minutes to cook. Simple, easy, and delicious. Look at it bubble. Bubble. And we have the potatoes, our 3 beans. 1 pot meal. All right, my healthy people. This is it. This is our delicious 3-bean, 1-pot chili. Absolutely delicious and yummy. Now let's go ahead and plate this out and enjoy it. So here is my 3-bean chili, and I have some avocado, so I just like to have it with some avocado. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this deliciousness right now. But before I go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a what? Big thumbs up. And say it with me, stay healthy.